Members of the press, esteemed guests from C Group, I extend you all a warm welcome as we launch the C Group in Hyderabad. Seating World is all about everyday exorbitance. Established in 1998, we brought new dimensions of comfort and intricate styling to Hyderabad. A city that was immersed in its own unique style of furnishings and decor has now embraced a contemporary realm too, thanks to us of course. Starting off with office and corporate solutions, we ventured into home furnishings and lighting as well. With a modest 45,000 square feet of retail space, representing quality home and office furniture brands from across overseas manufacturers, we have enjoyed a reputed clientele list since the very beginning. With 3 retail centers at prime locations in the city of Hyderabad, backed with a 25,000 square feet of workshop, centralized warehousing of 50,000 square feet, Seating World sets new horizons to lifestyle, space, and work solutions. We have a unanimous taste for the sciences as well as the arts, which reflects in all our products. Innovative thoughts and a certain aesthetical sense in design results in something with an aura, which is what attracts us to our business. Since we are always trying to find aspects of hedonism in unusual nooks and corners of the world, it was about time that we turned our attention none other than the kitchen. And we found no reason why it should not or cannot just be as enchantress as your living room or the bedroom. Hyderabad will now welcome avant-garde kitchens supplied with high-quality product tailored to specific needs and requirements. Urban luxury is herewith served on a silver platter. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you one of the world's leading kitchen designers and manufacturers. The video was pertaining to C Group. He has showcased some factories which are spread over Hanover and Berlin. Yes, yeah, we are talking about complete kitchen with their solutions to stock stuff, the dry, the wet, everything. We have different systems like the carousel and the larder units. Basically, where we could stuff things and then actually not reach. We have technical systems from the company called Bloom. The hardware is totally Bloom. It's a very accessible, very cooking friendly cooking kitchen. I think, like I already insisted, that from the bedroom and the living, the scope has now totally turned to kitchens. Kitchens has now become your new living area, and more the younger crowd is turning to cooking. Gone are those days when you come and just order food and you actually want to cook for each other. The young couples, the section of the society which is working and coming back home actually wants to venture out, live around the cooking area, have themselves entertained with friends, and also take up cooking as a superb hobby. So we are actually completely redefining the meaning of kitchens. It's no more a maid's task. You, me, everybody can be in this area, enjoy cooking, eating, and entertain ourselves. It's a family room more than a kitchen.